voice your opinion and everything, but don't try spread false narrative and I try to deter people from going to show, Bridging.
Gaza and Arena. London, the 4th of September, Vybz Kartel at O2 Arena. Already sold out.
Alright.
1-1.
Match sauce.
No, a 1-1.
World boss.
World boss.
World boss.
Here I was all this time thinking they were Bill Gates when they were not even Bill Fence.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode. Yeah, man, in this one, we have Foota Hype. I come out and clear the ear on the rumors of Beenie Man show being cancelled there at the UBS Arena on the 24th of May. Foota Hype state that is a big negative. No, man, them are go hard, man. How people stay so, man. Jano Star. We also have the reunion of the Gaza. Yeah, man, the crew link up back there in Guyana. Yeah, man, it's a good sight to see. Yo, the reunion and normal people. We're gonna check it out. Also, we have people that call up Beenie Man again for the purchase of the G-Wagon. Yo, them are Belt Zaga hard people. I walk one. We're gonna take a look at that and see what one. But first off, we're gonna kick it off with Blake. Him send the one say a reason.
Yes, youth, man, I'm telling you this, man. Take break from the circle where you're there in a youth. You hear that? You see if you can leave the community and go somewhere else. Go. You hear me tell you? Because sometimes God want to bless you in a youth. And just through the circle where you're there around, you know. Just through the household where you're there in a youth. Make you not get a blessing, you know. Because God knows that if Him bless you around those people, He might go tear you right back down to the ground. You hear me tell you? Some are afraid to take chances, youth. And that's why we're stuck in a dog. I want to tell you, man. Find a one family member if you can go, man. Find a one friend if you can go. Go on. Go take a little break. And make God work for you a little bit. You hear them say outer side, outer mind? Take away yourself from the wicked them. Because them say if you are win. But them don't actually want you to win.
You see in a life, you can't be a true champion if you have to cheat for win. See? Let me repeat that. In a life, you cannot be a true champion if you cheat for win. If you go cheat and scheme and do be a foolishness, if you say you're the champion, life I go show you. You see me? Life I go show you. You get me? Miss Chin, big up yourself. Listen to me. Wanna stop tell lie about Beenie Man New York show cancel. But what bad mind the people? Why when that spread false narrative? Say Beenie Man New York show cancel. Me get more than 50 calls from morning. Media houses are asking me, people, which part you see that? Where you see Beenie Man New York show cancel? Stop them fuck with the beat. Two bumbo clock bad mind. What I'm doing, man? We want to get out of bad mind. Me I try to understand. We want to get out of bad mind. Enough there for everybody. Enough is here for everybody. Just so no want people if you know but come at the show. Phone say the show and a ram phone say the show. Stop them thing there, bro. Ooh, I want to whole argument about Beenie Man New York show cancel. Me not understand. You know if you stop it, Bridget. You know if you stop it. Stop that something there. That bad mind thing there, stop it, man. Only now no reason for you to do that. The amount of vlog me see and the amount of people that message me and I call me dog. Only stop them thing there, bro. Stop them thing there, dog. Me not like that. And then them say me bad mind. What kind of dirty style that? Who only want to spin narrative to say the man show cancel and I call people buy them ticket. I tell them, oh, the show cancel, the show cancel, the show
In the
cancel.
gate area, Spirit guests traveling on flight 2399 to Baltimore. If you're traveling with a car seat, stroller, walker, or personal wheelchair,
Me not care about no bomb buckler gift. Me not have to go over TikTok for no gift. See me gift here. Travel and play music. Me a star. Me not have to go over TikTok or beg nothing. Me out, me good over here. So. A bookings pay my bills. Not internet, not social media. I have to go over nowhere. TikTok are one big Batim and Demon place. I'm in a business board over there. Zine, listen what me say, man. Stop with the bad mind thing. If you don't like being a man, or if you don't into being a man as an artist, if you don't feel like being the king of, yeah, voice your opinion and everything, but don't try spread false narrative and I try to deter people from going to show, Bridget. Why you not do that? Why not go out on a way if you do that? Dirty and corrupt and bad mind, dog. And then you say, me a father corruption? Eh? Yeah, but if the show never sell off and never go and go, you know, them would not do this, you know. I see them, sister, the show I get really crazy in the last couple of days, yeah. Worse than before, you know. Big up Cigar promotion, you know. And big up Cigar entertainment, you know. Yo. Sometimes when you read the comment section, you know bad mind, you know. And when you see some of them blogger a chat, you know it's a straight bad mind, you know. Bro, food there for everybody eat. Everybody there can eat food. Which New York show cancel? Nothing I got so. You see it? You see how much? You see how people are text if New York show cancel. You see that something there? You see that? No, the New York show is not cancelled. The New York show is up and running. Do not listen to nobody when they say that. You understand? That is an illusion. That is a lie. The New York show is up and running. Everything good with the New York show. Stop, listen, liar people. The return of Beenie Man to New York is on and popping. You not hear me do the interview on Richie B radio program this morning. You not pay attention. You not stop listening to false narrative, no man. Mighty God. Stop listening to false narrative. Mitzi, big up. People, now listen to Irie Jam Radio tonight. I'm going to do an interview with DJ Rai tonight on Irie Jam Radio. You want to pay attention. You understand? Pay attention. Stop follow fool to an idiot. The New York show is up and running. The New York show are gone. It's up. My book. Look here. Traveling. Stop listening to some waste man and some waste people where they want place and not going nowhere in their life. Them not, the elevator now work. Them can't elevate. Just listen to me, man, and stop listening to people, man. Yeah, man, if the show never go on good, you know, them wouldn't have bad mind, you know, and I try water down the show, you know. We only get out of bad mind. Alright, stars Aziri, mommy, cause send them. If the ticket now sell, right? Why do you need to say the show is cancelled? That me ask you. So if this ticket them now sell, hey, yes, everybody when I like Beenie Man and I like Foota, the ticket them now sell. So Lord, the show now, won't I walk and tell people say the show cancel for, the New York show cancel for. If the ticket them now sell, you see there's something wrong with you. You know, there's something really wrong with you. You know, sister, everybody whenever even want to promote the show, as Foota put on him foot in a promotion, them start promote too. Look how long every man knows that the show I keep. And no man never post a flyer yet. Till me run out of the day. And go G-Wagon war and base sitting. You know, see everybody a post the show now. Extra fire push on the show. You understand? Come on, man. Everybody can eat food. Everybody can make money. Why would you go out of your way? If you tell lie, say the show cancel. Why? That don't make no sense, man. Bad mind can't win, no matter how you check it. Bad mind cannot win. So all of them something they are waste of energy and waste of strength and waste of data on your phone. See, I say, being in a New York show cancel when you know it's not a New York show there. It's not a New York show cancel. You understand? It's the Virginia show for whatever reason. You understand what I say? So, I can't deal with the bad mind business, brother.
I couldn't hear you when I was saying hello.
When you, no matter who I'm in a deal, and hear me a walk or talk, or them show cancel, or this and that, when I depend on that. The bad mind thing have to stop, man. Remember saying no, all some people are going at the end of the day, Beenie Man a Beenie Man, legend a legend. You can't go around legend. No matter who, who knew who run the place, legend a legend. You get me, I say? So why go out? When we look on the block, them be a block and say the show cancel.
Your aircraft is at the gate.
And then
Passengers
be
are getting
people are
on
calling me
safely.
for
Once everybody's off,
cheese
we'll
and
leave
the
the
show
aircraft.
cancel
There
my
will be
what
checks
kind of
and
cross
begin
is
the
this?
boarding process.
No, bro.
Please take a
All
look
media
at
house
your
are calling me.
boarding
Some man we
passes.
do media work. I call me and say, the show cancel the show. People are calling me and say the show cancel. Yo, no go, man. Bad mind. Bad mind. A damn thing they call bad mind. How where you get out of that? Where you get out of that for you walk and tell people about show bad mind? About show cancel. Where you get out of that? The show is sat there. Cancel where? And if ticket never sell the show, would I cancel? You understand me I say? So, I don't listen to people. I listen chat in the dark. You understand me I say? Remember good. Beenie Man a Beenie Man. Beenie Man no normal. None of the legend them no normal. So it don't matter who at the legend them still have them fans and still have them crowd and still have them people who have a shoe out for them regardless. So why would you put in a media say she was cancelled? You think that, brother? But nah lie, that is a below the belt. That's a below the belt thing, you see me? Below the belt thing that. Them thing there are the highest level of bad mind. I don't rate that. But you are people. You can't stay here too long. See? Big up on yourself. Saturday night, New York City. Return a Beenie Man. I give you 2 tickets. When I land, I give you 2 tickets to 2 female. Zine. Super Twitch. The same 24. I jump on a plane. Florida. Super Twitch party. 24. Timeless ritual. Again and again and again. My birthday. Big up Really With promotion. Tomorrow night, Baltimore. Sunday night, with the Orange and White up at Mount Vernon. See? And after Orange and White, we got Sugar Mine at there. You understand? Big up Passion and the whole crew. People are working. When I have time to run joke and chat to people, you know. See?
Alright people, so you hear that from Foota Hype himself. Yeah man, G I make them know straight. So yo, that move then I try. I say yo, the show got cancelled. It's a big negative. It's a big below the belt move that come off as bad mind and tear down. Yeah man, Foota also went on to say that people are trying to persuade persons that already purchased them tickets for the show not to attend the event and state that it got cancelled, spreading false rumors on the show. As you can see that Foota Hype is definitely upset about the situation. As you know that the show is set to be held at the UBS Arena still, you know, so everybody's looking forward to that show. A lot of people are going to turn out. It's Memorial Day weekend, so you don't know. You have a lot of outgoers, so they might expect a lot of traffic from that as well, you get me? So a lot of people are going towards the show to go look and see and enjoy themselves as well at that performance for Beenie Man there. Yeah man, so now we're going to check out the Gaza reunion in Guyana. You don't know the Gaza show in Guyana as well on the 24th of May. So both shows are keeping on the same day. So you don't know, we're going to look out and see which show go on, you know. So you go have to go take a look and see who are the better show. Honestly, because you don't know everybody looking. It's on the same day, so I have to go look and see exactly how the show turned up. But nonetheless, we are root for dancehall and want the 2 show them for the great as well, you see me? But we're going to check out the reunion now with the Gaza team and link up with Vybz Kartel over there in Guyana. Check it out, peeps.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall a vibe.
Some boardwalker. Big up Siva. Yeah, man. Coconut water, I wash off him heart. And I would that match sauce. One match. Alright. Match sauce.
No, a 1-1.
World boss.
World boss.
World boss.
Yeah.
That's a cold, man. And I would this one more. Yeah, it's
Yo, people, listen. Yeah, Guyana. Right now in Georgetown. We just land. Like that's land. Guyana, Chito. Guyana. Where are you?
Wine for my pretty girl, it's my pretty girl.
hug me, baby.
Fully active. One world pass.
Whole team out. I'm gonna tell you something. You see Guyana, the ladies. I love the ladies more than Princess Diana. When you're in Guyana, Vybz Kartel is here. Where are you? We're outside, Danny. Outside. Yeah, man, I saw you coming a World Boss program, man. There in Guyana, you see it? Your machine?
Yeah, we're there.
Guyana, I think there. Sean Stam.
My general.
See my bro G there? I wanna feel like. Wait, hey. Yeah, but Mad so how them feel like? Hey, Mount Skull. Jolie. How that way over there so bright light? What you mean? Daddy's there. What you mean? One Guyana, one GT. We're here. Where are you? Come out.
Alright, people, so you see that for yourself, the official Gaza link up in Guyana. Yeah, man, I never not with normal people. You see me, Mad Sauce, Sean Stam, Moon Skull, Bright Light. Yeah, man, official link up. Yeah, man, don't know Machine and the team. You don't know the teacher, the thing. You see, I'm prepare for the show on the 24th of May. There, the Guyanese National Providence Stadium is a 20,000 capacity venue as well. So you don't know everybody and their mother turn out to see the teacher. How much years they know see Kartel perform over in a Guyana. And you don't know how Guyanese people do the thing already know. Them forward there, them not go normal. They can guarantee that. You see me? Them forward it not go normal. So me I look out for that exactly to see how them deal with certain song when that go off. You see me? Yeah, man. A crazy thing I got nobody show the people. Me can just see it from now. Yeah, man. So now we're gonna look out at the next incident we are seeing at the media. People are being about the G-Wagon in purchase. They must say, the G-Wagon was purchased locally. Yeah, people. So you don't know, the G-Wagon had to be shipped in regardless because G-Wagon does not make in Jamaica. Them do not make a G-Wagon in Jamaica. So it had to be shipped in, but it was purchased at a local dealership. As we saw later on in the video clippings, you see me, where them went and they picked it up from the local dealer here in Jamaica. You see me? As possibly a second-hand dealer. Yeah. But it was a G-Wagon nonetheless, people. A being man, still no people. Being man, you know. The money I got Oma from back in the days, you know. Oma, you know. Crash Oma, get our next Oma again, write it off. You see me? Range Rover, Benz, all type of big vehicle the money I used to go in back in the day. So it's not nothing new for you. You just have to just update the thing and keep it balanced and keep it level. You see me? Yeah, man, the real way. It's a good look same way, nonetheless. Rate the move. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you make it through to the end of the video, people may just want to big you up and tell you thanks for the support on the last video them. We see the numbers and we appreciate that, you see me? We continue pushing the effort and just make it grow, you see me? Thanks again and stay tuned.